Whale watching along Kenya's coast is becoming a key attraction in the coastal tourism calendar. This comes at a time when hotels and service providers in Watamu are reporting increased demand for whale watching excursions by tourists over the last 3 months. The ongoing humpback whale migration is seen as a boon for the sector, according to Kenya Tourism Board Chief Executive Officer Dr. Betty Radier.
It makes for a great opportunity for people to visit or have a safari as well as a coast experience in their visitation and their holiday. And at the coast, it moves from just being a beach experience to now actually being able to experience what this is that we're calling the twin migration. So from a product perspective, this is what we call top experiences, that you can easily showcase immediately because it is something that is already there, and you start to sell it immediately.
When you've got something as exciting and interesting as humpback whales to come and see, it gives people a reason to come down and to then see everything that is available in Watamu.